Greetings, humans! Welcome to Point Slope 2.0. Yeah. I'm just going to run through a couple of quick examples in this video so that you're better suited to face any problems you might encounter. Alright, here we go. Write an equation in point-slope form of a line that passes through the point 4, -10 and has a slope of -2. Well, to write an equation in point-slope form, maybe we should know what point-slope form is. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where you can plug in a point here, here, and your slope here. Doesn't get any easier than this. So this y stays the same, and we're going to be subtracting, be careful, it's a -10. Equals our slope is given as -2, x minus whatever the x coordinate given is, 4. We can simplify this a bit and call this y plus 10 is equal to -2, x minus 4. That's it. This is the equation in point-slope form because you can see your point and you can see your slope. Hooray! Okie dokie, if we wanted to graph something that's in point-slope form, it's pretty easy. Because if you know that something is in point-slope form, you're going to be able to pull a point and the slope from it pretty easily. So looking at this equation, you can see that you have y minus 6 equals 3x minus, that should be an x1, x minus 4. Slope, obviously 3, and be careful here. The x is worth 4 because it's still negative there, and the y, it's still negative here, is worth 6. You're looking at a point 4, 6 that you know is on your graph, and you have a slope of 3. So that means from this point you can go up 1, 2, and 3, and over 1. And there you have another point. If you draw a line through those 2 points, that's the line you're interested in. What I wanted to remind you of is if you have y plus 6 equals 3 times x plus 4, here's where you got to be careful and recognize that the point-slope form is like this, outlined in blue. So if this becomes a positive 6, that means the y-coordinate that you were interested in is actually -6. Same thing here. This would actually be the point -4. So just be careful there. What if this happens? What if we're given a line and we're asked to write the equation for the line in point-slope form? Well, if we need to write an equation in point-slope form, how about we talk about the point-slope form of any equation? Okay, now what we can do, if we need a point-slope form, maybe we need a point. Oh, here's one, found ya. That's the point 4, 6. We can use that one that we know is on the line, or this point over here. Look at him, so cute. 4, or -4, 0. Either one would suffice. Okay, so notice I've chosen the point 4, 6. Just substitute in the 6 for y and the 4 for x, and we're still missing the slope. Well, we have 2 points, so you might be able to use the slope formula to figure out what the slope is. Or you can use the graph and count the change in y and the change in x and maybe simplify that ratio to figure out what the slope is. Okay, you can see that I'm starting to do the slope algebraically here, and we have 6 over 8, which simplifies to 3 over 4. So we can just put that for our slope, and there we have a nice equation for this line in point-slope form. Thank you, thank you.
Or something?
No, you can't write anything on this.
Stop.
This is a video. It's
No,
recording.
stop.
No, it's recording.
Really?
Yes. Farewell, humans.